Hi, welcome back to awesomeevent.com instructional video for how to make your own centerpieces and kits for any event that you have coming up. Today we're working on what we call our upper scale centerpiece. It's a musical themed centerpiece. In the centerpiece you're going to get a top hat. Basically it comes with pieces of styrofoam to put inside the hat, your metallic foils, some musical notes, a musical scale, and some glitter top music sprays. And we can do this in different colors. The way you start out on a musical scale centerpiece would be is that you take the two pieces of disc that are already glued together, put a little hot glue at the bottom of it, stick that into the bottom of your hat so it stays in place. The next piece you put on top is pretty much put a little bit more hot glue on the top of the little disc you just put inside the hat, and then put the bigger piece, which is 6 inches, on the top, just like that. All right, now after you put the styrofoam inside the hat, take one of the foil colors, which you should have an extra one in your kit that we send you, and you can basically take that piece of foil and just cover that hat. If you have a little spray adhesive, you can also do that, or straight pins would also work. It's not going to be a big deal because your foils are going to cover that. So then you basically take your foils with the insertion tool, catty corner them, and now stick it into there, just like that. Then what you can do is you can kind of spread the foils around a little bit, make sure that everything's covered, and then you can start adding all your items into it. The first thing you take is your musical scale, which is going right into the center. There should be a little stick at the bottom of it, and you stick that right into the styrofoam up on top. In some cases, what some customers like to do is they'll take a little hot glue, stick it in the hot glue, and then the thing won't spin around or anything like that if you're driving it to an event of some sort. Sometimes you just got to play with it to get it to stand up straight in there. All right, there we go. And then we have 3 different height musical notes on different rods. You can do the same thing by sticking into the hot glue and then just kind of spreading it around. We'll send a picture with the centerpiece kit so you can decide which way you want it, but some customers like it in different ways. So a little hot glue, and then stick it right into the base. A small one kind of in the front. And the last thing we would add in it is the musical note glitter top sprays. And also, these are wire on here. This is glitter. These little strands, you can actually curl them with a pair of scissors to make them look a little bit more swirly, to give it a little bit more direction. And these you can kind of put in on the back and the sides. And just so you know, this is not the only color. This centerpiece comes in many, many different colors. The musical notes are available in about 18 colors. And other than that, everything looks good. So thanks for visiting awesomeevent.com instructional video. You just saw me making the upper scale centerpiece for any musical theme, and a lot of the colors can be changed. We can give you either a black top hat, a silver top hat, or a gold top hat. For large quantities, other colors are available, but a lot of your musical notes and things like that are available in many different colors. So please visit our website at awesomeevent.com and call us with any other questions, or shoot us an email when you're on our website. But you can always call us at 888-443-4267. Thanks for visiting, and hopefully this creation makes your event fantastic.